So let's now proceed to our next step, that is configuring configuring the application server. So how to do that? Let's proceed to that. Click on start, then all programs. Here you can see this folder named Oracle Common Home, and then you can configure the application server. So we will now be creating a WebLogic domain, new WebLogic domain. So this, because it's the first time we are doing the configuration, click on next. So depending upon your requirement, you can select the required products. So I'll be choosing Oracle SoA Suite for developers, then Oracle Enterprise Manager, then Oracle JRF Web Service Asynchronous Services. So click on now next. Here you can give any domain name you like to provide here. I'll be choosing SoA Dev as my domain name, and the domain location is Oracle Middleware User Projects Domains. Then this is the location of applications. So click on next. Here you have to provide the administrator username and password. Let the default value be there. And for the password, I'll be choosing welcome1. So let me just keep a note of that. Now click on next. Choose the development mode, or if you are using for production, you can choose this one. Select the JDK. I'll be choosing Sun JDK. Click next. Then these are the component schemas, and we have to configure one by one each one of them. Now first we'll be configuring SoA infrastructure. Check on it, and here you have to provide all the values. So choose the schema password as what we have earlier chosen. This one is the schema password Oracle. So we'll be providing that schema password, the same schema password here, Oracle, and DBMS/service will be ORCL, and you have to provide it here localhost. And 1521 is the default port for Oracle database. It's known as Oracle database listener. Now we'll be configuring the next component, user messaging service. Provide the password here, the same Oracle, then localhost, Oracle, and localhost, the next component Oracle, localhost. So we are now done with the configuring all the components. Now we will be clicking on next. So here you can see all the components are properly configured. Here you can see the status. If the status is not this one, so you might have made some mistake. So let's now click on next. Choose the admin server. Click on next. Provide the listener address as localhost. Click on next. Then this is the configuration summary. Now click on creating domain. So we are now completely done with the domain creation. So now click on done. So we are now done with the configuring application server.